Hello, today we are going to study about a math library, and it is basically allow you to perform mathematically task on numbers. In the previous video, we studied about string library and its various functions, and today we are going to explore Cmath library, and we are going to explore some popular functions of math library that can make our work more easy. So let's see that. So here I am going to initialize two variables, int x and int y equal to 20. Now I want to find out the value of between x and y. So what I need to do, I need to add the library Cmath. Now I can use the functions of this library. There is a built-in function max and x and y. These are two parameters that I want to compare to find out the value. So now let's run this code and let's see what we will get. So it will return the value of y because it is the largest value. In this case, it's taking a little bit time to execute. So about to get output here. It is not, it's here. So it is 20. So this is the largest value between x and y. Similarly, you can do, if you want to find the minimum value of x and y. So what is the minimum value? You can use this function to know the result. It already. So let's wait for the output. Until the output window came out, we will study about some popular functions of math. So here is a list of different functions of math library that we can use to perform different functions. For example, it's absolute. If you enter any negative value, and then it will return you the absolute value of x, which means that if it's minus 10, then what will you get? You will get 10. So here is the output of our code. The minimum value was 10, and now our code is displaying this. Otherwise, you have to work with conditions and if else structure to find out the largest and the minimum value. But with the math library, now it is very easy to find out maximum and minimum value between variables. So there are some functions that math library that you can use, and it all depends on your requirements, and you can try on your own all these functions and see what your result you will get your results. So if you are new on this channel, please make sure to subscribe this channel. In the next video, we will explore about Boolean and how we use them. Thank you.